So if you want to write Python scripts, it means that you need to have Python installed on your computer. And you can check if Python is installed on your computer by going to the command prompt on Windows or to a terminal on Mac and typing the following code: Python space -- version. And when you see Python popping up here as a reaction of your prompt, it means that Python has been installed on your computer, and you can also see which version of Python is installed. So in my case, it's version 3.11. So if Python is not installed, you can install it from the official Python website, python.org. And there you can download the latest version for Windows. Or on Mac, you can use Homebrew to install Python. However, since Python is regularly updated, you can see here that the latest version is 3.13, where I have 3.11 installed on my computer. You might need different versions of Python on your computer for different analysis. One specific version of Python for each analysis that you do. So, and to be able to allow for that, for having multiple versions of Python on your computer that don't interact with each other, there is a second way of installing Python, and this is what we will be talking about in this video. So, just like R, Python is installed as a basic installation, so a basic set of packages that everybody needs. And on top of this basic installation, you're going to install additional packages. Installing a package is not as simple as it sounds because no one writes code from scratch. So people that develop packages, they often use functions from other packages that already exist. And that means that packages depend on each other. So let's assume we have two packages installed on our computer, package A and package B. Package A has a function called fancyplot, and this function uses a function called basicplot from package B. So that means that package A depends on package B because it's using one of the functions from package B. So package B is a dependency of package A. And that means that if you want to install package A, you also have to install package B, or else package A will not work. Yeah? If that function is not there, then fancyplot will also not work. So, and this gives you an insight into the nightmare that this can become. So if you have a package that depends on many other packages, and these other packages also depend on other packages, then installing package A will become very complicated. So in here you have an overview of all the Python packages that exist. So every package is a circle here in this graph, and their dependencies. So all the lines that you see are dependencies. So you see that it's really complicated. So this is why there are several ways of installing packages, and you can either use pip or you can use conda for installing Python packages. In this video, we will focus on installing packages via conda because it handles these dependencies very efficiently. If you want to check which packages have been installed on your computer, you can go to your command prompt or to your terminal, and you can type pip list. And then you get a list of all the packages that are installed. Theoretically, conda list should also work, but as you can see, it doesn't on my laptop, and I will explain later on why this is.